What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the brand new steering wheel I got, Alcantara, from VQ Carbon Customs. Shout out to them for hooking me up with the steering wheel. Behind us we got my boy Antonio and we got Julio in the car working on it right now. So we have Josh's stock Supra, close one of the group right here. Then we got Julio's car right here. This is a 2020 Supra. Julio's got a pure 800 in here. Get a shot of that right there. That's fire. I think Anthony's is the fastest one. Hector's car has plastic lip here, M-style mirrors, but they're painted, which is pretty cute. And he's also got Toyota R888s, but he doesn't want to go low because he's scared. We had a Toys for Tots today, and it was pretty dope. There was a ton of cars out there. We had about like, what, 20 Supras? 30?
31.
31?
Yeah.
We had 31 Supras.
Yep.
Wow. 31 Mark 5 Supras. Then we also rolled out with a couple Mark 4s. It was pretty dope. Yo, look at how fire this looks though.
Am I on camera?
Yeah, you're on camera. Oh. So what are we doing right now, Anthony?
We disconnect the battery. Okay, we gotta disconnect the battery.
Okay.
Nice BMW you got there.
Make sure nothing touches it. Right. Okay, you watch all of the YouTube videos. Okay, I see you. Moment of truth.
Yeah, you gotta push on the spring.
I have a lot of experience with those.
Okay, you got it out?
Kinda.
I think this side's easier though, bro.
This side, yeah, it's easier. Bro, I'm telling you, it's a pain this. Well, so here's the problem. I undid them, but the bottom part didn't come out. So what you gotta do now is restart. That's why I say, if you don't get this in 5 minutes, when you're pushing it in, that's when you can hit the spring. Oh. It's not like Mercedes.
This is the man, the myth, the legend, Josh. Josh, New York Supra. I'm gonna put his information on the screen so you guys can see how much of a lame guy he is. He actually owns that Supra over there, which our girlfriends are sitting in right now. Let me see what that steering wheel look like. Ooh. Ooh. Did you enjoy dinner?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Shout out to the New Jersey guys taking us out to the Dominican.
They didn't take me out because I paid for my own meal and I paid for this guy's meal too.
I didn't pay.
Oh, you didn't pay?
Shout out to Ray.
Oh, Ray paid for you. Oh, so you finessed him.
Yeah, finessed him.
You got it? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
The passenger side of your car looked like aisle 5 at Ulta.
It's because my girl, bro. She has all her makeup
Bro,
in
I
here.
see all types of fucking makeup products.
Yeah, bro. Then it'd be taking 3 hours to get ready. That's why I'm always late. That's why my ass always late, because Joanna. Yeah, they do the makeup inside the car. Exactly. This guy's a slag. Yo, don't hire this guy. I'll tell you that right now. Do not hire this guy. Do not go to his dealership to buy any cars.
Yo.
Some of them Supras that sounded funny earlier that came from his dealership.
It's like, oh my God, it's like right out.
He got it. It only
Pop
took
the
about,
cherry.
honestly, it only took like 10 minutes, right? 10 minutes?
No, like 2 minutes.
All right, so he's got the steering wheel out, guys. Now what?
Yeah,
Oh.
so you undo that clip, you just clip that down. And then this one, you just shove your screwdriver in there. So give me the torque. T20?
T20?
Pretty much that right there on that side for paddle shifters.
It's just the...
Ooh. Okay, you don't know what that is.
Alright, wanna hold it?
Yeah, he's in your car, bro. Go ahead, get.
Oh,
Damn, boy. That's gotta be Uga tight. You stripped it?
no.
Took it out crooked, didn't you? You took it out crooked.
No, you're good.
Nah, other side. Other side. Woo! Fire!
know,
Fire!
right?
I got the Alcantara with the, no, not you, babe. I'm sorry. I mean, you fire too, but we got the black stitching on the inside, and then we also got carbon fiber, what is it called? These thingies.
The grips? Oh,
The paddle shifters.
Yes.
The paddle shifters, yeah, those things. This guy had too much rum punch.
He only drank Coke.
Look at how good this goes with the seats, though. Matches perfectly. This guy's destroying my steering wheel. He's ruining it. Uh-oh, what we got going on here? You guys are sweating over here. Don't ruin my Alcantara steering wheel already. Ooh, guess who took that photo?
My baby.
I ain't take that.
So
No,
who
damn
did?
well I ain't take that. Who took that photo?
You did.
You know I didn't take that photo. Not for real, who took the photo? Woo! That's fire. Wish I could take photos like that.
Hey, you did take the photo.
I got my car a mess. You guys leave your bedrooms like this? Huh? You should be ashamed of yourselves. It's crazy. Matter of fact, it's all your stuff, actually.
That's actually not.
You know what he said? Julio, what'd you say? What'd you say was in the car?
The passenger side of your car looked like aisle 5 at Ulta.
That's funny though. That's funny, right? Al5 and Ulta. Yeah.
It's true.
That's funny? Yeah.
You can still love me though.
Yeah. Hilarious. This guy took off my steering wheel, it has no electrical tape. So how are you gonna finish the job?
Oh, I don't know.
We got the old steering wheel out. Man, this thing feels flimsy, doesn't it?
It
Wow.
does.
You guys should go purchase a steering wheel from VQ Carbon What is it? What's the name of the company? VQ Carbon What is it? You guys should go purchase a we should go Man, when your steering wheel's feeling flimsy, you want to purchase a VQ Carbon Custom steering wheel from VQ Carbon Custom Steering Wheel Company and just get a steering wheel. All right.
Hey yo, what the f?
We have a special guest on the show today, or on the channel. You know what I mean. All the way from London, France.
No, England.
Natalie, what's your last name?
B-A-R-D-Y.
Yeah. Natalie.
Cardi, like Cardi.
I need duct tape.
No, electrical tape.
Wait, what'd you need? For real though.
Wait.
So Josh is making a run to AutoZone because, not Julio. What's your name again? Antonio. Hector, whatever. Something like that. So we're gonna make sure Josh gets the electrical tape that we don't have, and the, what is it? Loctite. Loctite. You putting these steering wheels on from VQ Carbon Customs. Make sure that you have Loctite and make sure you have electrical tape. Hey, I didn't even know you were on the phone. I called him and he was on the phone the whole time. Oh, there he is. I hear your car. Sounds slow. We need electrical tape and Loctite. All right, hold on. I forgot to say thank you. I feel bad.
Call him back.
Yeah, I forgot to say thank you. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I really appreciate this. All right, love you too, man. See you when you get back.
So like, what's the reason that you came unprepared today?
Oh, let him know.
Whoa.
Let him know. What was it like in high school? Was it hard? Was it hard for you?
It was hard, yes. My second grade teacher, she took me to this dark room.
Oh my God.
No, she just forgot to turn on the lights.
So this is what happens when we don't have a drill and we have to widen the hole.
It's not sketchy at all.
Well, I had tools, so.
This guy's using his key to splice wires.
Yep.
All right, guys, so we got the steering wheel in. Look at how beautiful this young man is.
Oh,
he's so hot. Oh my God.
Hey.
Beautiful.
Oh! Man, those panels look great.
Thanks, Anthony.
Man, thanks, Antonio.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thanks, Julio.
I am not liable for any injuries or damage to the vehicle.
Are you excited?
I'm nervous.
Why?
Because Hector over here said he knew what he was doing.
Julio, what are you doing now?
Sitting pretty, IO5 in Ulta. Do you have Kat Von D lipstick? I prefer nude to match my skin tone. I see it right here. Never mind, I don't need you.
When you flash the car, you have to unplug the steering wheel plug, right?
Just this, yeah.
The lights are still going to work, it's just not going to get a reading?
No, with this, you need this.
portion will not work.
Yeah. Starting off the car to see if it's getting some power. Yeah, we're just gonna splice this wire here, cut it up, and then we're good.
When I disconnect mine, this doesn't work at all.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. The homeboy over here spliced up the wrong wire. So if you guys are doing this on your cars, make sure you get the green wire, not the yellow one or the blue one. Who knows what he did. We're lit up now. Steering wheel's in. He's so embarrassed now. This guy's embarrassed.
That shit looks nice.
Get the steering wheel in. Honestly, looks fire. So we just set it up to red. The red line was a little low before, so we put it up to 6,500 RPM. Go. Woo! Paddle shifters here. So now I can officially smoke Anthony in a race. Oh, you're still here?
I am still here.
Thank you so much. I love you so much. Thank you, Hector. I'm not Hector. PSI readings, fuel level, which is pretty dope. I wish it could read E85. Battery voltage it can read, intake temperature. And then we have the speed for us speed demons like myself who gap people like this guy over here. Pretty cool. So Anthony has the same steering wheel, but his does not come with a bunch of features like that. Now I feel like I'm the better one here.
Oh, it tells you how how much aero codes you have.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Huge shout out to VQ Carbon Customs. I want to say Custom Carbons. If you guys want to pick up a steering wheel, I will drop a link in the description below so you guys can pick up a steering wheel. I got a deal on it, and I also got the paddle shifters included. This is in stock, ready to ship. If you guys want a steering wheel, make sure you hit up VQ Carbon Customs for your steering wheel. He has a bunch of different colors, so go check him out. We're ready to roll?
You ready to roll? So let me know if the steering wheel doesn't fall off.
You said what?
What? No, go home. Good night.
We're leaving. Time to go home. Finally. Are you excited we're going home?